everybody, my name is Buckets, and today we're going to be going over a brief tutorial of how to use the Perpera Web Client. Perpera is a data audit protocol that allows for information to be stored on the blockchain. We can generate a unique fingerprint of the document and store information about the state of the document at a given time. So first things first, we need to register a document to the chain. So navigate to perpera.peercoin.net and click big green start button. And I've prepared a super important document. I believe it just says super important document signed by Buckets. So we'll attach this. And so presented with this field, it gives you the name of the document, the unique hash of the document, and you're going to want to make sure you save this because this is how you'll reference this document. There's a fee field. This will be calculated after we put in our WIF, which is the same as your private key. And so you can see it has a little toggle here. Keep your private keys hidden away. So I went and got my private key, and I'm going to go ahead and plug that in here. And then we're going to hit calculate fee. Okay, and saving this hash on the blockchain will cost you a transaction fee of 0.01276 ppc. We're okay with that, so we can hit register document. Okay, and there we go. I got the notification. It says my file's been registered on the blockchain. Please wait at least 10 minutes and use the hash or the file hash to check its registry. Okay, and so Peercoin blocks take anywhere between 8 and 10 minutes, so we will check back then and see where it is. Okay, so it's been about 8 or 10 minutes and it's been registered. So now, using that unique hash we had from before, we can search it. So toss it in the search bar, hit enter, and there it is. It's registered. You can see the document hash. This is the most current revision, day it was issued, and the owner of the document. And if we wanted to make changes, say we had super important document number 2, which is slightly different. It added some words. It has a brand new and unique hash. All we'd have to do, put in the same private key, pay for the transaction, and it would show as the new current revision. And as it stands, our secret document doesn't need any changes, so we don't need to make any revisions at this time. I'll make sure to add some links to the pay to tag hash white paper and more information on Perpera for you guys to take a look at if you're interested. Please stay tuned as we bring more updates and features to Perpera and Peercoin in general. Until next time, this is Buckets.